Welcome back to Cookscrafter. Today we're diving into a classic New England favorite, baked haddock. This dish is not only easy to prepare but also packed with flavor, perfect for a cozy dinner or a special occasion. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: haddock fillets, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, butter, garlic, lemon, and a few fresh herbs. Simple ingredients that come together to create a dish that's both comforting and delicious. First, we're going to make our breadcrumb mixture. In a bowl, combine breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, and minced garlic. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Next, melt some butter in a pan. We'll use this to mix with our breadcrumb mixture for that perfect, crispy topping. Brush your haddock fillets with melted butter. This will help our breadcrumb topping stick and give the fish a delicious golden finish. Now generously sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture over the fillets. Press down gently so the topping sticks well. Place the coated fillets in a greased baking dish. You can also add a few lemon slices on top for extra flavor. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is flaky and the topping is golden brown. Once your haddock is done, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Look at that crispy topping. Doesn't it look amazing? All right, time for the best part, tasting. Let's see how it turned out. That's fantastic. The haddock is tender and flaky, and the breadcrumb topping adds the perfect crunch. This is definitely a dish you'll want to make again and again. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes from Cookscrafter. See you next time!